I just did 10 wall walks as like a challenge, and I was called up and someone was like, bruh, like your advice in this damn channel you have. I'm thinking, I'm in high spirits right now, okay? I was on my phone for a while and then I did some wall walks and I was like, damn, I'm very happy after doing the wall walks. Just that change in activity was incredible. Maybe you should try it as well. Whoa, this thing's upside down. What the hell? Damn. Anyway, man. Yeah, I'm very happy. And you know what? I think I've been looking at this thing all wrong because I've been seeing it as like, me talking, saying stuff, when in reality it's an info product. And you have to see this as a product. If this is not seen as a product, you're not going to treat it like a product. You're not going to make it good. You're just going to do something. Now, when I was making soaps, you have to meticulously write down the percentages of all the things you're going to put in. You have to figure out what percentage is the best for the soap you're making. You have to think, do I want it to be more fatty or more basic, or what do I actually want from the soap, right? And like what oils are going to do what in the soap. This is the same thing. This is a product. It takes me like an hour to figure out the recipe for soap before I make a batch. Why don't I do that here? Why do I not make the recipe for a video before I make it? So let me just treat this like an info product. Let me get serious about it, and damn, it's gonna do well. It's gonna do well. This is like a creative. It's a very creative thing, and it's very important to create, to actually do some wall walks, bro. Content consumption or whatever you're doing, it's just not it. Just not it. Doesn't make you happy. Makes you zone out. Yeah, I think I have a graph. Let me show you the graph. You see this graph? I know it says. You see this graph, right? You can't see that graph. I know it says that it's showing the change in temperature of an object at different initial temperatures in a room, whatever. This is literally you when you watch content consumption. If you're in a bad mood, lower than the room temperature, you literally just go to like nothing, baseline room temperature. If you're in a good mood and you watch content, you go to nothing again. It doesn't make you happy. It just makes you feel nothing. It just makes you think, who am I? It makes you, it kind of destroys you. So go do something, right? Go do some wall walks, right? This is quite fun. Anyway, I'm feeling happy. See you later. See you some other time. Maybe I should start taking this stuff seriously. Once a week, post something. Like actually make the recipe, create it. Yeah. We'll see what happens, brother.